Hi SDP family. Today this video is for all my people that use your voice on a daily basis for work or for singing, for all the artists, for people in media that need to regularly use their voice. I'm going to show you a perfect SDP for clearing your throat congestion and making it clear as ever, clear as B. This is called the BSDP. So I'm going to show you how to do it. You're going to take your index finger, you're going to place it here like we do for the air element SDP, and then you're going to hold that here, and you're going to bring your middle finger to the middle, and you're going to make sure that this thumb is being placed on this you're going to press it on this section of your middle finger like this. And then both of these fingers have to be straight. So we're going to do that here on the same hand as well. So this has to be pointing straight outwards and not like this or like this. It has to be in the center, on the center, in a right angle situation. So this is how we're going to hold it. And you have to make sure that these two fingers are pressed backwards and they're not like this. That will not help you clear your throat. So make sure it is pointing straight. As with most of our SDPs, we need to hold them straight while the others are bent down. So this is the BSDP for you to be busy as a bee. And anytime you have a throat congestion, you're just gonna, like you're gonna be like, right? You can do that, but then keep this SDP at the same time, and this will clear your throat right away. And how we do this, again, like all SDPs, well, not all, but some SDPs, you're going to keep your palm facing up on your lap. Whatever you're doing, if you're talking in the media, if you're singing, you can always keep this posture in your hands while you are doing that, and you will feel that your throat has been cleared like anything, and you can powerfully bring your voice out in any of your jobs that you do that require your voice. All right, guys, see you on the next one. Practice your SDPs and stay healthy.